Hello everyone. So right now we're going to ask a few questions from Nuriman, our freshman, about the freshman marathon. So hello Nuriman, please
Hello.
tell me what major you're in.
I'm from mathematics major.
Okay, good. So my first question would be, which workshop was the most memorable for you?
Personally, the most memorable workshop was by Team Wong on how to make effective decision making. The reason is that I really needed it in the last months, so I got a few advice from there.
So the second question would be, which homework was the most challenging for you out of all the workshops?
I think the first week was the most challenging
Okay.
because there were like 5 or 6 tasks, and in the last week we had only 1 or 2. So, but I think homework overall is not so challenging. You can do it very easily in 1 or 2 hours, so it's not so hard, in my
Yeah.
opinion.
Okay, good. Well, I hope that everything was still very clear for you, but yeah, sometimes homework can be challenging, yeah. So, did you make any friends or good acquaintances?
Uh, I found out about some guys or girls who are from different majors, who have different backgrounds, and I think in the future it could be an opportunity to make a networking.
Yeah, sure. Also, how did you find the help of peer advisors? Did you find it helpful?
Of course, right now to the left there is one great peer advisor. We met very often. We talked about not only marathon but about how to take courses, how to uh, close them successfully, and so on. So I think yes, it was very beneficial for me at least.
Good. Yeah, so the last question would be, please, could you share one tip that you found the most beneficial for you out of all the freshman marathon?
I want to get back to Tim Wong's presentation.
Yeah.
He is a person with a lot of experience, and he shared some truths of life, like you cannot reach your results doing a bunch of work, all the work that there exists. And he said that it's enough to do some of the chunk of main work, and you
Yeah.
get the results. So Pareto principle says 20% efforts gives 80% results.
Yeah, good. Well, that was a great conversation. Well, I hope that you'll find these tips useful further in your academic career, and I hope our future freshmen are also going to participate in freshman marathon in upcoming years. So, thank you, Nuriman, for your feedback. I hope you found our marathon helpful. Yeah.
Thank you too.
Goodbye.